Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my another video. Viewers, as you can see in this video, I will gonna show you most amazing, most beautiful ikebana Japanese flower decoration ideas, ikebana flowers arrangement ideas, and moribana flower arrangement ideas. I hope you will enjoy my video. Please watch my video till end. Viewers, please don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. If you are a new viewer on my channel and watching my video very first time, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Viewers, if you have any demands or any queries, then tell us on comment section. We will try our best to fulfill your demands and will make videos according to your demands. Viewers, I really hope you really enjoyed my video. As you can see, these all are very beautiful ideas. Thank you so much for watching my video.